Hey friends, morning. It's been raining since the past couple of days in Bangalore, and you can see how beautiful this Malpigia Glabra looks. It is full of vibrant and fragrant flowers. You can see the close view of these flowers, how beautiful they look. Let me turn the tree the other way around and show you. It is full of those blooms. I need to do a bit of trimming on the tree. I will do that once the flowers are over. I'm hoping that a lot of these flowers will turn into those beautiful cherry or berries. The tree will look really beautiful when that happens. And this time I'm trying a different fertilizer, a mix of bone meal, neem pellets, and some Epsom salt, some superphosphate. Let me see how many of these flowers turn into berries with that new fertilizer that was suggested by one of my friends. I'll keep you posted, but I do see some of the flowers have started to turn into berries, so that's a good sign. You can see that beautiful little fruit. Until then, I'm just going to enjoy these blooms. Thank you so much friends for watching. You have a wonderful day, and do share if you have any thoughts or suggestions on growing this species. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you.